Hello friends, the numerical example number 2 from the exercise of chapter Heat in standard 10th Science and Technology part 1st is liquid ammonia is used in ice factory for making ice from water. If water at 20 degrees Celsius is to be converted into 2 kilogram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius, how many grams of ammonia is to be evaporated? This evaporation of ammonia is responsible for removing the heat from water. Therefore, we have to use the ammonia. Here given is latent heat of vaporization of ammonia is 341 कॅलरीज पर ग्रॅम. मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी आपल्याला द्रवरूप अमोनियाचं बाष्पीभवन प्रक्रिया केल्यानंतर या बाष्पीभवन प्रक्रियेमध्ये पाण्यातून उष्णता हा अमोनिया काढून घेतो आणि म्हणून आपल्याला या ठिकाणी अमोनिया वापरून पाणी थंड करायचं आहे आणि त्याच्यापासून 2 किलोग्रॅम इतका बर्फ तयार करायचा आहे. सो गिवन डेटा इज latent heat of vaporization of ammonia is equal to 341 calories per gram. Latent heat of fusion of water is 80 calorie per gram. Initial temperature of water, that is T1, is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Then final temperature of water is T2, that is 0 degrees Celsius. It is to be converted into ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Mass of water M1 is equal to 2 kilograms is equal to 2000 gram. Mass of ammonia, that is M2, is to be calculated. Now solution. First of all, we are interested in the heat lost by water during the reduction in the temperature from 20 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, now Q1 is equal to mass of the water, specific heat capacity of water into change in temperature of the water. Therefore, mass is 2000 gram into specific heat capacity 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius into change in temperature, that is 20 to 0. Therefore, 20 minus 0 degree Celsius. Now this multiplication of 2000 into 20 will be equal to 40,000 calories, and here gram present in numerator, gram present in denominator, degree Celsius present in denominator, degree Celsius present in numerator will both be cancelled by each others. Now the next part is again heat lost by the water at 0 degree Celsius, and when it is converted into the ice at 0 degrees Celsius only, we will calculate that heat. Therefore, Q2 is equal to mass of that water at 0 degrees Celsius into latent heat of fusion of water. Therefore, 2000 gram into 80 calories per gram. Now this multiplication will be equal to 1,60,000 calories, because gram present in numerator, gram present in denominator will both be cancelled by each others. Therefore, we will get Q2 is equal to 1,60,000 calories. That means we have gained how much heat is lost by the water from 20 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, and from 0 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. Then we will consider about the heat gained by the ammonia during the vaporization of ammonia. Let us see. Now heat gained by ammonia will be, that is Q3 is equal to mass of ammonia into latent heat of vaporization of ammonia, and it is given. Therefore, Q3 is equal to mass of ammonia into 341 calories per gram. Now, according to the principle of heat exchange, heat gained by ammonia is equal to heat lost by water at 20 degrees Celsius plus heat lost by water at 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, we will get MA, that is mass of ammonia, into 341 calories per gram is equal to for 1,60,000 calories. Therefore, now this summation will be equal to 2 lakh calories. Therefore, now in next step, this 341 calories per gram is taken to the right hand side. Therefore, it will go into the denominator, and then we will get mass of ammonia is equal to 2 lakh calories divided by 341 calories per gram. This gram which is present in the denominator of denominator. Therefore, by taking the reciprocal, it will come into the numerator. Therefore, now this division will be equal to 586.51 grams. That means in this process 586.51 gram of ammonia is to be evaporated. Thank you.